So hello guys, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to earn free tokens while you're playing. So if you wanna earn tokens without buying it from your mom's credit card or for money, you're just gonna play some games, a bunch of games, rec room original games. So all you have to do, as you can see, I'm 0 tokens, and to earn tokens you're gonna click in play and click in rec room originals, and you're gonna complete these games like golden trophy, paintball. I'm gonna join paintball. So I'm in paintball. Let's load it. Okay, and as you can see, I'm in paintball. So to get free tokens, you're just gonna kill somebody or win a party.
Red flag dropped. Red flag returned.
So
Red flag
I'm
taken.
gonna lose. Like
Red flag dropped. Red flag returned.
I'm gonna pick this gun because the other gun doesn't work for me. So I'm basically killing. Gosh, somebody's trying to kill me. I'm out, okay. So it's the easiest way to earn tokens is playing. So I'm gonna leave.
Red flag taken. Remaining.
If I win this party, I will be I don't know how much I receive, but I receive tokens.
Blue team scores.
Game over.
So as you can see,
Good game.
blue team scored, and gonna look like this. And as you can see, I have 0 too because I lose the game. So if you win the game, you're basically gonna earn tokens like for free. Free, guys. Just playing the game and buying. It's just ask your mom for credit card or your dad, or buy or buy a gift card from recroom.
Ready to start.
Okay, that's it.